The content presented in the audio is the property of IELTSachieve.com and should be used as is. Tampering or reproducing without written permission from the team is strictly prohibited.
Social media has replaced the traditional methods of communicating, and people use more and more social media in communicating and to follow news and events. Some people think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages and give your opinion with an example. Mobile communication, including the use of social media, has substituted the usual ways of interacting and being updated about current events. This essay believes that the advancement of social communication is more advantageous rather than a burden. Firstly, this essay will discuss the benefits of using social media as a tool, and secondly, the detrimental effects of having these apps in our lives. On the one hand, the main advantage of using social media as a communication tool to message friends and keep up to date with current news and events is that you can easily access this information at any time on your mobile device. Using news apps means that you can read about events as they happen in real time, as well as write comments on news articles. This way of learning about news and interacting with it has evolved with the increasing use of social apps. For example, the BBC News reported in 2017 that 90% of readers use the app to read news and comment on articles via their Facebook page. On the other hand, the primary disadvantage of using social media to learn about news and events is that it has been used to spread fake news which disseminates the wrong information. Fake reporting of celebrity deaths, bomb scares, and government legislation has been widespread and shared on social media apps like Facebook and Twitter. For instance, a news report about the death of U.S. actor Sylvester Stallone in 2017 went viral on Facebook and later turned out to be a fake news story. In my opinion, I believe that the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages because of how easy it is to use social media to share information with others. Traditional methods of hearing about the latest news are long outdated now that it is easy to share stories via social media apps. You can instantly share a news story with friends on Facebook or Twitter. For example, in my own experience, I regularly use Facebook to read news from the BBC, New York Times, and The Economist, sharing articles with friends via the Messenger app or into their newsfeed. In conclusion, the advancement of social media has more benefits than drawbacks, for this is the easiest way of sharing information and connecting different people around the world.
Thank you for your time. For more IELTS preparation resources, visit IELTSachieve.com.